Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a look at what might just be the best car detailing kit complete set you can get your hands on. The Qydipclin 45-piece car detailing kit. Let's dive into what makes this kit an all-in-one powerhouse for car cleaning enthusiasts, professionals, and casual users alike. The first thing you notice when unboxing this kit is how comprehensive it truly is. You're not just getting a couple of brushes and a mitt. No, this is a full-blown car detailing arsenal. From the jump, it includes a vacuum cleaner with a long cord and 3 different attachments, designed to tackle everything from pet hair to crumbs and dirt. It has strong suction that's perfect for deep cleaning those hard-to-reach spots in your car interior. But that's just the beginning. You also get a low-pressure foam gun, which connects easily with 1/2-inch hoses using 3 quick connectors. This isn't some flimsy sprayer either. It comes with 8 different spray patterns, making it versatile whether you're giving your car a quick rinse or a deep soak before scrubbing. It makes washing your car not just efficient but also fun. Now let's talk about the collapsible 11-liter bucket and the windshield cleaner. The bucket folds down for easy storage and portability, a thoughtful touch for people without a ton of garage space. The windshield cleaner tool comes with 3 pads and is surprisingly effective at removing fog, moisture, and smudges from inside your car window. That's a detail that's often overlooked in car cleaning, and this kit takes it seriously. Moving on to the brushes, and there are a lot of them. You get 5 detailing brushes in different sizes to reach every nook and cranny, from air vents to trim lines. The crevice brush helps with those deep, narrow spots, while the soft bristled interior brush is perfect for cleaning dashboards without causing scratches. A duster brush quickly lifts dust from larger surfaces, and you even get 3 wire brushes, stainless steel, brass, and nylon, to tackle stubborn grime and rust from more rugged parts of your car like wheels or exhaust pipes. For the exterior, this kit packs 4 uniquely designed drill brushes. Attach them to your own drill and you're good to go for heavy-duty scrubbing on tires, mats, or even your engine bay. They're paired with 4 polishing pads, 2 foam and 2 woolen, and a pad connector so you can get that final glossy finish after the hard cleaning work is done. Throw in 2 wax applicators, a wash mitt, and microfiber towels, and you've got everything you need for a complete car makeover. There's even a bottle of cleaning gel for grabbing dust out of vents and keyboards, a spray bottle for your favorite cleaning solution, and everything fits neatly into the included storage bag. This kit isn't just great for cars, it can be used on motorcycles, RVs, boats, and even around the house. That makes it a solid value for anyone looking for more than just a one-use product. The only thing not included is the drill itself, but for most people, that's already in the garage. At 45 pieces, it's honestly difficult to find another detailing kit at this price point that checks as many boxes as this one does. Whether you're a first-time car detailer or someone who takes their auto care seriously, this kit gives you the tools you need to clean, polish, and protect, all in one package. That wraps up this hands-on breakdown from Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a review. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.